Also, the Nigerian Stock Exchange and other financial markets will be closed from today when we go close for the business. Then we'll go on a two-day public holiday. We're back on Thursday. Let's get a sense of what is there for the holiday trading week. Rotimi, Fakayejo from Enterprise Stockbrokers is live to us from the Stock Exchange trading floor, downtown Lagos. Rotimi, it's good to see you on the other side. This is what you called roles reversal. So, you folks are going to have a two-day off this week. Maybe that will help you folks catch up with what FIFA will eventually do with Nigeria later today if we don't put our house in order and maybe take more time to listen to the political class. So what do you make of the market between football, between FIFA and politics?
Well, it's just going to be 3 days in a week, and also on the Friday is when they are going to shut down the Third Mainland Bridge. So that goes a long way to tell how much the market may be able to do before the end of the week. But I do not see much transaction compared to what we saw last week, and I expect that the market at least may be able to stabilize a little and not lose as much as it did last week. The market closed last week with a change of 0.51% negative, in spite of the huge gain of 1.87 on Friday. So we expect that the tempo this week should at least be moderate, and we don't see much of upheaval in the prices of stocks.
Rotimi, Dangote Cement made investors cry on Thursday and make them smile on Friday. So, what does that tell you about what we expect this week?
Well, I think most importantly, we need to look at the situation whereby the price of Dangote Cement is a major factor in the market. If the gain of last week is actually sustained, it will actually uplift other securities to a point of stability, and some of them moving up with a few points. But if we do have it come down or recede to where it came from, then definitely it may not really be worthwhile for the market. But for Dangote Cement, it remains a solid security to buy at any point in time. We've seen the figures, and we are very much assured that they may be able to upkeep all those figures, and it's better for the market being responsible for about 27–28% of the market capitalization.
Yeah, but a bit of a very dry week, as it was. As I said earlier, volume's likely to be a little bit lower, but in terms of earnings, what's in that space? What's the outlook?
Can you say that again, please?
What's the outlook on earnings for the current week?
Well, I believe that the figures we've seen are for real, and the figures to come will consolidate what we have seen already. So the earnings figures for Dangote Cement and some of the other banks that we have seen will definitely be upheld, and we may even see them coming out better with more figures, except for a few companies that we know that they are not definitely going to do well this year.
Okay, Rotimi, thank you very much for your time. Let's allow you to get into the trading day. I understand. Of course, the first hour, very important. The final hour of the trading day, also very important. Thank you, and it's good to have you live here from the Stock Exchange, Nigerian Stock Exchange. Rotimi Fakayejo, CEO and trader at Enterprise Stockbrokers.